Hi friend, welcome to Math A to Z. Topic of this lecture is an important property of Euler's Phi-Function, which is if n greater or equal to 1, for any n greater or equal to 1 and also positive integer, if n greater or equal to 1 and n be a positive integer, then phi of n by n is equal to summation mu of d by d, where d runs over all divisor of n, where phi be the Euler's Phi-Function and mu be the Mobius mu function. Since this relation contains two symbols, phi and mu, so this is also known as the relation between Euler's Phi-Function and Mobius mu function. Okay? And we prove this property or this relation of phi and mu by using Mobius inversion formula. Okay, and Mobius inversion formula states that if capital F and small f be two number theoretic functions, we all know which are number theoretic function. Number theoretic function related as capital F of n equal to summation f of d, small f of d, where d runs over the positive divisor of n. Then Mobius inversion formula states that f of n, small f of n, is equal to summation mu of d into capital F of n by d, where d runs over n, and this also equal to summation d over d runs over positive divisor of n, mu of n by d into f of d. Okay, and the proof of this relation is vary by using Mobius inversion formula, or it is proof is in at most 2 or 3 lines. Now go to the proof of the property. We already seen in the previous class summation phi of d is equal to n, where d runs over the positive divisor of n, and we take this n as capital F of n. Now applying Mobius inversion formula, we get here this is capital F and this is small f. Then by using this formula we get phi of n is equal to summation d divided mu of d into capital F of n by d, and this is summation mu of d into capital F of n by d, f of n equal to n, so capital F of n by d equal to n by d, right, into n by d. Then we write phi of n by n, because here the summation over d, and with respect to d, n is a constant. So phi of n by n equal to summation d over n mu of d by d. Okay, this is the relation between phi and mu, and this is the property, right? Now to better understand, we consider here a very easy example. We take n equal to 10. Then we know phi of 10 equal to 4. Then phi of 10 by 10 is equal to 4 by 10, that is 2 by 5. And here d equal to 1, 2, 5 and 10. Then mu of 1 by 1, mu of 2 by 2, mu of 5 by 5, mu of 10 by 10. And this is mu of 1 means 1 from the definition of Mobius mu function by 1, and this is, since 2 is only 1 prime, so this is minus 1 by 2. This is also minus 1 by 5, and this is mu of 2 into 5, so minus 1 whole square, that is 1 by 10, and summing them we get 2 by 5. So we say that phi of 10 by 10 is equal to mu of 1 by 1 plus mu of 2 by 2, mu of 5 by 5, mu of 10 by 10. So this result is verified. Okay, very interesting and important property of Euler's Phi-Function. Okay, this is the today's class. Thank you for watching.